I came downstairs and found water everywhere. My washing machine had flooded the laundry room and garage. I was panicking and had no idea where to start. RestoPros of Northeast Georgia was at my house within an hour. They explained everything, including the asbestos testing requirements. The team was so professional and kept me updated throughout the entire process. They removed all the damaged materials, cleaned everything, and monitored with those moisture meters until it was completely dry. What could have been a disaster became manageable thanks to their expertise. I can't recommend RestoPros of Northeast Georgia enough.